Close your eyes for a second and listen. What do you hear? In 2026, the world is louder than it has ever been. We are surrounded by a constant hum of engines, the chatter of crowded cities, and the digital noise of 1,000 notifications. For years, we've relied on two small pieces of plastic in our ears to keep that chaos at bay. But something is about to happen that will make everything you think you know about earbuds feel like ancient history. Apple is about to drop a device so advanced, so controversial, and so packed with futuristic tech that it's causing a literal civil war among tech analysts in Cupertino. This is the AirPods Pro 4. It's not just an upgrade. It is the first step toward a world where you don't even need a screen to interact with the internet. We're talking about infrared cameras that see your hand gestures in midair, a chip, the H3, that has more processing power than the computer that sent humans to the moon, and a health tracking system so precise it can literally save your life before you even know something is wrong. If you're still using the Pro 2s or even the recently released Pro 3s, you need to hear this. Because the gap between those and the Pro 4 isn't a step, it's a canyon. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand why the AirPods Pro 4 are the most dangerous product Apple has ever made for its competition. Let's go inside the sound. To understand why the AirPods Pro 4 is such a massive leap, we have to talk about the 3-year curse. Traditionally, Apple waits 3 years to change the AirPods. But the rumors coming out of the supply chain right now suggest something unprecedented. Apple is reportedly breaking their own cycle. Why? Because they are terrified. They are terrified of a world where AI-powered wearable pins and glasses replace the iPhone. To save the iPhone, they have to turn the AirPods into a hearable computer. This brings us to the most shocking leak of 2026, the infrared camera system. Imagine walking down a street in New York. Your phone is in your pocket. You want to skip a song or turn up the volume. Normally, you'd reach up and touch the stem of your AirPod. But with the Pro 4, you don't have to touch anything. Tiny, microscopic infrared sensors embedded in the buds are watching the space around your head. You simply flick your fingers in the air, a gesture Apple calls spatial input, and the music changes. It sounds like science fiction, but this is the integration with the Vision Pro ecosystem coming to life. These earbuds aren't just for your ears, they are eyes for your AI. They understand where you are looking, who you are talking to, and what you want to do next. It is the end of the touch era and the beginning of the intent era. But let's get into the raw audio, because at the end of the day, you buy these to hear. The H3 chip is the secret sauce. While everyone else is fighting over Bluetooth codecs, Apple has built a custom, ultra-low latency protocol that finally delivers lossless audio wirelessly, without the massive battery drain. We're talking about 24-bit, 48 kHz audio that is bit-for-bit identical to the Studio Master. For the audiophiles in the US who have been complaining about Bluetooth compression for a decade, this is the holy grail. When you put the Pro 4s in, the soundstage doesn't feel like it's coming from inside your head. It feels like you're standing in the middle of a live concert at the Hollywood Bowl. The separation of instruments is so clean, you can literally point to where the drummer is standing in your mental map of the song. And then there's the silence. Active noise cancellation on the Pro